Well, this is the third edition of Rotary Rain Run. We are expecting almost 2,000 runners for this Rotary Rain Run 2017 in category of 21 kilometers, that is half marathon, then 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers.
The venue is SAG Stadium, which is opposite Bambolim. From there we go underpass, go to GMC, and then towards Goa University, Dona Paula Circle, and then Mira Mar Circle, and back. That's 21 kilometers. Yes.
We have last year alone we did more than 12 Prakash Cancer projects, camps for detection of cervix cancer, and we also provided them free mammography coupon. We purchased a mammography machine worth about 27 lakhs 2 years back, and that has been installed in RG Stone Hospital.